This is gonna be awesome. So what does a bike path have to do to get into the Hall of Fame? Does it have to give a tearful acceptance speech or thank your agents or all the little people? Today we're gonna find out how, by riding the East Bay Bike Path in Rhode Island, how it became on the Hall of Fame trail list. This trail is 14.5 miles long. It's a rail trail. We'll pedal through Providence, through charming, quaint towns to discover the can't-miss sights that makes this one of America's best rail trails. Our ride begins at Indian Point Park in Providence. It's a perfect launching pad with great harbor views and plenty of parking. Almost immediately when you get on the trail, you'll go up the Washington Bridge crossing, and it delivers incredible panoramic views of the Seekonk River and the skyline of Providence. Okay, this is supposed to be part of the trail. No idea. We're following her. She's guiding us. There was no signs. I don't know if this is a detour or if this is part of the trail.
Turns right at the stop sign.
Okay. So this is, I was told, the regular trail, and they used to have markings, but no, not anymore. And then it turns into the trail. So it's a little section of not good. If you're starting at Indian Point, right out of the bat, there are a couple of steep hills. So if you don't want to do that, maybe you can park up a little further, because I think it's supposed to be mostly flat, but we'll find out. Another area to park. Woohoo! It's worth it. So this part is where the city leaves you behind and you just unroll along the Providence River. It's a gorgeous, salty slice, a bit of eye candy. We have to go check that out. Oh my God. This is gonna be awesome. Wow, what is this? Oh, wait a minute. I've seen these before. Well, not in real life. I've seen it on social media. That's awesome. There he is, there's the troll. It's this guy named Thomas Dambo, and he makes these enormous trolls out of found material. This one's called Mrs. Skipper.
Nice chatting.
Nice chatting, see you around.
Enjoy the rest of your
You too, you too. Oh, this is where all the bikers hang out. This is the mission, should you choose to accept it, is the Borealis Coffee Company. It's a beloved sanctuary for cyclists, hiding out in an old train depot right off the pass. It's an ideal spot to refuel before hitting the gas. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, so I didn't realize this, but one section is for bikers and one section is for walkers. I had no idea. So I think people are confused. They switched it. There were walkers on the left, bikers on the right. Now they switched it. Bikers on the left, walkers on the right. And nobody's getting it. So here the trail plunges into saltwater, marshes, and through tunnels of trees. There's your tunnel of trees. The main attraction is crossing the Barrington and Palmer rivers. Full disclosure, the historic railroad bridges are being replaced. So there is a detour right now, so you might not be able to go on those bridges at this time. The trail basically rolls right through this artsy historic town. Whew. It's bustling, it's got incredible food options, so it's really perfect excuse to get off your bike and do a little walkabout and maybe get some lunch. Now you won't find a lot of bathrooms on this trail. There are 2 at Haynes Memorial State Park, and then there is a bathroom at the Borealis coffee shop. But of course that's not public bathroom. So is this Hall of Fame title legit? This is what I read on the website. It's the real deal. It's not just one thing. It's the whole insane, wonderful package. It's a knockout coastal views. Yes, it did have some of those. The ghost of old railroads. Yes, definitely had some of that. And the way it connects entire towns and parks. Yes, that's true. It's no shocker. The East Bay Bike Path was ushered into the Rail Trail Hall of Fame back in 2009, and it didn't just earn its spot, it probably built the podium itself. Okay, so we have some issues with that statement. Do you believe that this is a legit Hall of Fame trail?
Hall of Fame rail trail. As something I would go back again and again and recommend and go out of my way to go to. There's some pretty views, but it's only a little bit of the trail. This is fairly well maintained, but there are a few root bumps you gotta watch out for. It's a nice trail, but I wouldn't say Hall of Fame. How about you?
There is one section that is just absolutely stunning. So that part, I wouldn't mind coming back to that section again and again and again. Certainly, I believe that riding on this trail made me feel quite safe. You do see lines, the division lines, but the one thing that I really didn't like is that it's confusing what side of the trail I should be riding, because they do switch off, and that part irritated me as you're riding. The bottom line is it's a lovely ride, a great day trip. So we want to know what your criteria is for a Hall of Fame bike trail.
Let us know.
And don't forget to subscribe and like us. Hope to see you riding. We're playing chicken.
What's up?
We're playing chicken. Who's gonna move over? Hey, ride!